how I can read and write the large numbers. So for read and write the larger numbers, we should have to follow our Indian place value chart, because Indian place value chart has periods and each period has the specific places. As for example 279453, this is the A number which you are seeing on the screen. So if we can use this Indian place value chart, 3 is the ones place, 5 is the tens place, 4 is the hundred place, and 9 is the thousand place, 7 is the 10,000 place, and 2 is the lakhs place. So 2,79,453 you can write and also read also by using the Indian place value chart. This Indian place value chart, you can see 734543. It has already written in the tabular form that ones is 3, tens is 4, 100 is 5, 1000 is 4, 10,000 is 3, lakhs is 7, and 10 lakhs not given. So 7,34,543. Like the Simon, same you can see 32, 75, 829. So start from the right side. Ones is 9, tens is 2, 100 is 8, 1000 is 5, 10,000 7, lakhs 2, 10 lakhs 3. So by writing, one comma will be utilized of the different periods. So you can see that 32, 75, 829. So very easily you can read and write also by using this comma, that is 32,75,829. In expansion also you can write this number, that 3 into 1 and 60. After that 2 into 50 plus 7 into 40 plus 5 into 30 plus 8 into 20 plus 2 into 10 plus 9. This is the expansion or expand form of the numbers. Now estimating to the nearest 100 by rounding up. Suppose you have to round 410. So 410 nearer to 400 or nearer to 500. Question is that, so 410 is closer to 400, so it is rounded up to 400, correct to the nearest 100. So we can say that if any number, if we are rounding as 100, on such cases the ones and tens place, that is 49 in tens and ones. If 49 up to the 49 it is existing, that will considered as 00 in ones and tens place, while if it is containing 50, as the digits will be 50 in ones and tens, on such cases next 100 will be considered. Suppose for example if 450 you have to round up as the 100, on such cases you will write 500. But if question is that you have to round 449, on such cases it will be 400. So students, very clear, if you are rounding as 100 or as 1000, you understand the half of the estimating, as either if you can estimating as 1000, on such cases 500, that is rounding up to 449 will be considered 00 and the previous be taken. If it is 450, that is 450, in any number 450 in ones, tens and hundred place is there, next 1000 will be taken. So you can take example and you can also solve the questions. Now by simplifications, that is you have to, if simplify 7 into 109, on such cases it can be written in the another form of the expanding as 7 into 100 plus 9, and that will be equal to 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9 is equal to 700 plus 63, and finally resultant will be 763. Suppose next example you can see 17 into 109. So 17 can be also expanded 10 plus 7 multiplied 109. In next step you can do like this one, 10 into 109 plus 7 into 109. Again you take the steps like this one, 10 into 100 plus 9 plus 7 into 100 plus 9. So next step will be 10 into 100 plus 10 into 9 plus 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9 is equal to 1000 plus 90 plus 700 plus 63 is equal to 1790 plus 63, and finally resultant will be 1853. Students, you also know that in Hindu Arabic numeral system there are 10 digits are used, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in Hindu Arabic numeral system it can be also represented in the Roman numerals. So for the every Hindu Arabic numeral can be written in Roman numerals. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 already it has been written, and you can also write the one a specific symbol for the specific number of Hindu Arabic numbers has been denoted in the this Roman numerals, that is for the 1, for the 5, for the 10, for the 50, for the 100, for the 500 and for the 1000. So by using these Roman numerals you can write the each and every Hindu Arabic numerals. Students, in summarized form I want to say that you remember the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. These both two value chart are very important to understand, to numerate, to read, to write any number. And by knowing these two place value chart we can very easily write, know, understand all each and every findings and facts of the numeration and numbers. So lastly I want to say that first of all very carefully you remember the Indian and international place value chart, understand its period and places, and write all the numbers in a specific Indian and international place value chart. So students, this chapter I think you enjoyed to learn. You have understand each and every fact and findings and the topics. If you have any difficulties I will discuss by listening these videos. You Also share your ideas, views and all doubts, all difficulties, and I will clarify it. So students, most welcome for your queries, difficulties, doubts to share to me. Thank you.